How to steam milk with Panther Coffee. To prepare a hot espresso-based milk beverage, pour only as much milk as needed for the drink, which will be about a finger width below the spout, in the appropriate sized steaming pitcher. Next, prepare your espresso shot. First, you're going to want to purge your steam wand. Use the spout to guide the steam wand into the center of the milk, submerging only the tip of the wand. Turn on the steam wand and drop your hand to the side of the pitcher. After aeration, raise and tilt the pitcher to create a vortex inside the pitcher to finish heating the milk. Turn off the wand before the pitcher is just too hot to touch. Wipe the steam wand clean with a damp towel, including the tip, before purging the steam wand. Ooh, look at that milk. It's mono-textured and glossy. To pour, tilt the ceramic cup and pour milk from about 3 inches up so the milk dives beneath the crema. As the cup fills, lower the pitcher and straighten the cup. The pitcher can touch the cup rim. Keep the flow rate of the milk steady and fill the cup all the way to the rim. Because milk has lots of proteins and fats, rinse the pitcher immediately to prevent them from building up inside of the pitcher. Let's look at the steam wand position with water in the pitcher. It's important to only submerge the 3 holes on the very tip of the wand to prevent milk from splashing out of the pitcher. And keep the tip in the center of the milk at all times, not touching the sides or the bottom of the pitcher. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.